Today, we test the claims of under-the-roof decorating hanging level. Let's check.
Don't blame it on me. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on the night. Don't blame it on me.
It's broken.
And now it's broke. Test is over.
Oh shit, we're live?
Yeah, we're live. Have you ever been watching late night television to have an infomercial come on? Have you ever been watching late night television to have an infomercial come on and promise? Have you ever been innocently watching late night television to have an infomercial come on and promise you a simpler, faster, easier way to accomplish everyday tasks like hanging pictures? Today, we test under the roof decorating hanging level. Can it really be that easy? Can it really be that simple? Well, let's find out.
That's good.
Boom! That's how you do that! And quite frankly, I watched their commercial. I was intrigued by the product, and I said, I have to order this. As crazy as it sounds. So that's what I did.
They send you like 3 if you call right now in the next 10 seconds.
So I did not actually order it. It says as seen on television or as seen on TV. I did not order it from the... I actually saw the commercial and ordered it off of Amazon at another time.
Gotcha.
If you watch an online tutorial from Under the Roof Decorating, you're able to use a standard or elite hanger by simply getting your hanger out of the box. Simple.
My knife. Oh, something popped out.
No. Where did it go? Okay. Ta-da! Simple as that.
Do we have another picture? Always look on the bright side of life.
Stop this one.
Hitting a screw or something?
No, you're hitting a stud. Yes. Hey, favor.
Why don't you try one of these
Just
chairs?
come over here and hold this. Hey, favor. Push me over. Oh my God.
I got a new nail for you.
Oh, thanks.
Figured that would be the way to go.
I don't need a hammer. I'm so strong. Watch this. Boom! Look at that. Whoa! So from the looks of it, hanging level actually works. We're able. What do you think about that?
Mm,
Is there anything else to talk about?
not really.